Specifications: model 2 BUV E6131 power 11 kilowatts. Capacity 6, 66 min ultimate vacuum 33 HPA. Standard motor voltage and frequency 380 volts 50 Hz 3-phase. Color: standard color is green. Remark: if there is special requirements about voltage, frequency, color, material, etc., we can make it according to requirements. Advantages: simple structure with standard explosion-proof motor. Easy maintenance. High-quality stainless steel 304 impeller. We also have alloy copper and stainless steel 316 liters impeller available. High-quality, corrosion-resistant. Fluoro rubber mechanical seals are used. Pump body and round disc are made of cast iron HT200. With anti-scaling coating surface, we also have stainless steel material available. O-ring seals. User can assemble and disassemble repeatedly and conveniently. Vacuum impregnation technology is used, along with high-quality copper, iname lead wire, and a custom-made, high-efficiency IE2, IE3 motor. With nearly 40 years of experience in vacuum pump research and development, our factory is ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 certified, and all products undergo rigorous testing and are CE certified. Application industries. They are mainly used in rough, vacuum, and large capacity industries, such as vacuum drying, concentration, evaporation, and degassing in the plastic, pharmaceutical, chemical, textile, and food industries. Other products: centrifugal water pumps, Roots vacuum pumps, screw vacuum pumps, rotary vane vacuum pumps, custom vacuum system, Roots blower.